It's here, it's here, it's here. It's finally happening.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
That's right. All the leaks and rumors were true, and we have ourselves a brand new MacBook Air with an all-new generation of Apple Silicon, the M2.
Introducing M2.
So let's not waste any time at all because I am super excited for this one. Apple launched their new generation of Apple Silicon with the latest M2, which takes a step forward from the M1. So if you're wondering if it beats the Max, Ultra or Pro, no it doesn't. The M2 is built on the same principle of maximizing performance and minimizing power consumption. The M2 chip is built using the second generation 5nm technology, which means it has 20 billion transistors. That is 25% more than the M1. It supports up to 24 gigs of unified memory, has an 8-core CPU with 4 high-performance cores and 4 high-efficiency cores. And it features up to 10 cores of CPU. So it delivers 25% higher graphic performance at the same power as the M1. And at its peak, it gives 35% more performance. The M2 has the next generation media engine, which means it has a high band video decoder that supports 8K H.264 and HEVC video. Not just that, this chip has a ProRes video engine, which means that systems running on the M2 chip can seamlessly play multiple playbacks of 4K and 8K video. Running FCP on an Air doesn't sound that bad now, does it? But, where are these chips going? The M2 MacBook Air. It's here and it's everything we ever imagined it to be. We got the stunning new aluminum design just like the 14-inch MacBook Pro, but despite that, the new Air is just 11.3mm thin. That's under half an inch.
That's what she said.
It witnesses the return of the MagSafe along with 2 Thunderbolt ports and an high impedance audio jack. Under the hood, we get a stunning new liquid retina display with 500 nits of peak brightness. And we get an HD 1080p camera. Thank you, Apple. Basically, this Mac is a hybrid of the 14-inch MacBook Pro and the M1 Air. I'll tell you why. The extremely thin design, the magic keyboard, the liquid retina display, and the fanless design, that's the MacBook Air. However, the overall design language, the MagSafe, the high impedance audio jack, and the most powerful M2 chip gives this device a pro edge. In fact, editing on FCP is nearly 40% faster than the previous Air. This magnificent new beast comes in 4 finishes of Space Grey, Midnight, Starlight and Silver. They're also giving the 13-inch MacBook Pro the M2 chip, which is unprecedented but highly appreciated. No hardware change, same body, same everything, just with the M2 chip, which is kinda cool. So now the entire lineup looks somewhat like this. You get the M2 MacBook Air that costs around 1,20,000. You get the M2 MacBook Pro, which costs somewhere around 1,30,000, and then you get the M1 MacBook Air, which will cost you somewhere around 1 lakh. And that's about it. Let me know your views on the chip and the new machine in the comments down below. Do you think it's worth the upgrade? Do you think it can replace the M1 MacBook Pro? I don't know, you tell me. Whatever the answer is, the new M2 chip has got me extremely excited. This is Rhythm, catch you in the next one.